Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to go for a drive in the Foz. It's what you guys wanted, and I'm going to tell you a couple of things that will be coming up in the next week or so. Stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button and the post notification bell to stay up to date with the uploads and all of these projects that I've got going on. That being said, guys, let's get into the Foz and go for a drive. Alrighty guys, driving the Foz to work today. So it's a little bit smoky. We'll work it out. Probably a blown turbo. Let's go! So 70% of you guys wanted me to drive the Forester today, so I'm driving it for you guys. Well, on Instagram. Oh, it's a hard hit. Yeah, after today, I might start doing the body. How slow do you want to go? Drive. Yeah, I gotta work out why it's smoking. Maybe I'll swap the TD05 over for a TD04. I don't think it's smoky, I can't remember. Maybe I just pop off the up pipe and see if it's oily. I haven't driven it that much since installing the relay, so maybe it does need to burn off a bit more. Maybe it's some oil sitting in the 50mm wastegate, and I need to open that to let it out, but I'm not sure. I think I only opened it twice the other night when I drove, or the other day when I drove. Getting hot in here. Woo! So I turn it on so I can see if it's smoky when I get to work. Also, I'm getting the AEM wideband. So I'm going to be pulling the O2 sensor out from this one. So I'll see if that's oily as well. Alright, so ran for 30 seconds after, then the pump ran for 30 seconds after. It wasn't smoky, so we are looking at startup. So, or it's still draining, like right now, so I get a bit of a build up. So probably what we need to do is get it into the garage, get it jacked up nice and level, have it running, and then turn it off and take the AN line off my mini turbo oil sump and see if it drains after the pump's off, and then we can figure out if it's backing up or if we've actually done the turbo seal. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go home because I don't have both child seats in the car. I'm gonna swap the car over anyways. Yeah. And wideband didn't show up today. Got a message from Ozpost. Between Tuesday and Thursday. So hopefully it can be in this episode, guys. Hopefully. Alright, time to swap over the cars and go get my boys. Gotta stop parking this in the backyard. Got bird droppings all over the bonnet. Let's go get the boys. Alright guys, so I've been looking at auction sites. I'm pretty keen to do a rebuild on a car. So let's see if I picked up anything this week. It'll be in this video probably. Maybe not. I don't know. Have to wait and see. Alright guys, I'm finally back. It's Wednesday night, so I need to get to editing and uploading. So I'll just run through a couple of things that happened this week. We're out of lockdown now, so went to Bunnings, picked up some supplies. So I got acetone, got brushes and a roller, so we can keep going on with fiberglassing and carbon fibering. So I'll be able to do some more of these. And something else showed up. My AEM gauge. Wideband. Oop. Do a quick little show of that. So hopefully next episode will be fitting that. So what we need to do is obviously clean up in here so I can get the forester in, get the gauge in, and we'll probably start doing some body work with the wide body because I can be out of the weather. Also at work today I had to play around with my stuffed up piece of carbon, my forged carbon, and it didn't come up too bad, but there's air bubbles in it, so I'm going to keep continuing with forged. I think forged on the Skyline and maybe cloth on the Forester. So what I'm going to do is give this one a go first. This is obviously the 2003 one that I got out, so less than 2005. I'm not sure when they started, maybe 2001. So I'll rough that up and I'll skin that and see how it turns out. If it turns out pretty good, then I will do my ones for my 2005. But yeah, didn't come up too bad. You can see the cloth through there, so it was a bit light on with the chopped, and this was just a wet lay, so there's no vacuum pulled on it, so we've got some air bubbles in there too. That's okay. So yeah, need to clean up in here, which I'll do tomorrow, and we will get started wiring the AEM gauge in. Hopefully it works. So guys, if you like this episode, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button and hit that post notification bell to stay up to date with these projects. With that being said guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.